Good morning, everyone. Well, that day is here. One of our deliveries just got delivered with some equipment on it. And I can't wait to rip into these boxes, but I have to wait because the shop is not fully done yet. I know it's been a little while since we posted new videos, but we had to get a new service put in with more power, and we just got that put in, and we just got one of the deliveries delivered. So bear with us, it's coming. I want to give a really big thanks to all my subscribers and for everybody who takes time out of their day to watch our videos and support what we do here on Ruggy's Woodshop. It will be done soon. More deliveries are coming within the next month. So just please bear with us. I know I've said it a few times, but it's coming. And we're going to do some really big, exciting things. There is another huge machine going to be delivered. I won't tell you what it is, but I'll give you a hint. It starts with a C, but that's all I'll give you. But I also want to give a very, very big thanks to Brad at Beaver Tools. Dude, you rock. The amount of service and the amount of dedication and the respect that you gave me dealing with this order. Dude, hands off to you, man, 100%. You rock. If you guys are looking for any industrial tools, any wood shop tools, any tools, metal fabrication, look up beavertools.com. Now, I'm not sponsored by them in any way. They didn't pay me to say this. All of this equipment was bought with no discount of my own money. But I believe when a company goes above and beyond to help you and put things together, then they deserve a very big thank you. So, Brad, thank you. I'm sure you're getting the other order ready to ship it out. And, dude, you rock, man. So let's get into what we got. So as you can see, it says sawstop. So another sawstop right there. And we got a Laguna C-Flux 3 horsepower Cyclone. We got the T-Glide fence system. The large sliding table sled. We got the 52-inch rail for the fence system, the float and dust collection. And we have another big box on the bottom. Now, I won't say what that is. All I will say is that it gives us the capability to cut anything that we want to do. So we will be back up and running real soon. The shop is getting done, like I said. Just bear with us. We will be back real soon. And again, to all my subscribers and to everyone that takes time out to support what we do here at Ruggy's Woodshop, my hat's off to you. Thank you so much. You guys are making all of this happen. And another special thanks to Brad at Beaver Tools. Like I said, dude, you rock. The amount of respect and the amount of service and dedication in helping us put this huge order together. And I'm sure that you got the other order and you're putting it together to ship it out. So I can't wait to receive that. But my hat's off to you. Thank you so much. Guys, if you're looking for tools, like I said, beavertools.com. I'm not sponsored, I'm not paid, and I got no discounts. But they deserve the thanks because they are a great company to deal with. And Brad, you're a great salesperson. All right, guys, I will see you soon. Ciao.